Okay, we have a little problem. The engine started all of a sudden running rough, misfiring. I was driving inside the city, really just after the startup. Um, I think it's an ignition coil. So the way to check this guy, I know is this guy here. You see, if I plug it and unplug it, it doesn't do anything to the engine. Sorry, the light is sucking a little bit. It doesn't change anything in the way the engine runs. Let me just do with another coil. See the result. This coil is good. You notice how the engine is reacting. The idle is dropping. So try each one, and when you get the bad one, this one, mine is a third one. It really doesn't do anything. You can unplug it, no change. That's a bad coil. Let me just shut off the engine. A few things about this. Usually these coil plugs can fail on this 2.5 or 2.4 engine, to Volvo engines. But actually they do rarely fail. It's very not common, but that happens sometimes. And the big problem is that you may be just stranded somewhere, and it's very important not to drive the car when you have this kind of misfire. Don't wait for the check engine to appear. Just when this happens, just stop the car on the side. And for this reason, because most of us guys, we are do-it-yourself people, I strongly recommend a few things. First, make sure the spark plugs are the correct one, and they are not. Don't let them wear too much. A worn spark plugs will cause a failed coil. Second thing, have always a spare coil in the trunk. Keep it with you, and also keep a 10 millimeter, could be a wrench or ratchet, whatever, just to undo the coil from there. While there, a very nice tip: don't keep your cover, or at least have a Torx screwdriver, because if you don't have the cover, you can unplug it and check it which one is bad. But also, if you don't have the cover of the over the injectors, that's even better, because you can unplug an injector. The problem when these coils fail, actually, there's two big problems with this. If you keep driving the car, unburned fuel goes inside the catalytic converter and is gonna damage it in a matter of, I don't know, who knows how much, 5 minutes driving, 10 minutes driving, you're gonna bust the catalytic converter, because it's gonna get too high, and it's burning the material inside, the material that works for it. And the second big problem is that letting unburned fuel inside the cylinder will cause the cylinder walls to wash. The oil on the walls will wash off, and the rings will just slide against pure unlubricated metal on the cylinder, and it's gonna damage the walls, and it's gonna damage the ring pretty fast. So that's why you don't want to drive. If something happens, you need to still keep moving the car for a few minutes, unplug the injector for that cylinder, so you don't spray gas inside, which won't be burnt. That's very, very important. When you replace these coils, I don't recommend replacing them preventively, but if you do so, do not by any means use aftermarket parts. Only use, I believe these are, I think these are Bosch, I'm not very sure about it. Mine are original ones, but by all means buy the original part for the coils. Do not play with the aftermarket. There are not many parts you shouldn't buy aftermarket, and this is one of them. So that's pretty much it. Keep a spare one, because this is gonna happen really out of nowhere. I just drove to my grocery store perfectly fine, parked the car. When I came back to the car and fire up, right away misfire. So it's gonna happen maybe one day, and it's better to be prepared. So keep these covers out If you still have to move the car, disconnect by all means the injector on the specific cylinder that's misfiring after you check which one is going bad. Alright, that's pretty much it, my story. Don't drive the car when it's misfiring like this.